where you're at all.
I don't want to
That
be
smell
running
like
either,
doo-doo.
'cause it's gonna get my eye, and I'm just
Don't pump,
pissed.
but don't pinch it, because it'll fucking, it could just googe out of there. If you don't cut a straight line, I'm telling Danny.
This is definitely a first for me. I've never sat
Stick a toothpick
watched
in
somebody
it.
videotape somebody cutting a boil before the race.
That's not gonna cut anything.
Oh, there it is. We got it.
Oh, it's
We
gone.
got
Oh, let me
it.
get
There it is. Get it out. You guys ready? Here it goes. Here it goes. Oh,
You look
oh
like
yeah.
cheese.
You guys got that?
Wipe it off.
Oh, no.
Let me see.
We're
You
videotaping
look like a
that.
diaper.
We're video. Hold on here. Here, watch this.
Oh, wait.
Watch this. I'm gonna bring it to you. You ready?
You tooted.
I'm so excited.
You just.
Oh, fuck! It's stuck in there.
Oh.
There's.
Yeah, there's more. Squeeze it more. Squeeze it more.
I'm gonna squeeze it more.
Yeah, go ahead.
Dude,
That motherfucker's in there.
Oh,
That's gross. That must
Oh.
be.
Oh, there it comes.
Awesome. Squeeze it more. Squeeze it more.
That's not even like pussy. That's
Okay, you ready?
solid.
There it is. Take a look at her! Hold on. We gotta show people this. Here, you want to smell it? See if you
no!
smell?
You're
I
killing
need another paper towel.
Oh, it's
Leave
like,
that, leave that, leave that.
it's like cottage cheese.
Yeah, I need.
That's why I don't like
It
cottage
don't smell
cheese.
so bad.
You got Band-Aid?
Oh, and there's like a hunk in there.
Yeah, because
Look
it
at
goes
that.
all the way
Oh.
down. No,
Look
don't.
at that. No, we're gonna pull that son of a bitch out.
Yeah, you gotta get
Look at that thing.
You gotta squeeze
There's
it
some
out.
growth in there.
Ugh.
Don't play with it.
Squeeze
Don't
it
be
out.
This
I'm
is-
gonna.
It actually doesn't even smell that
You're
bad.
the one that can't see anything.
I know, but
You missed
Hold on,
it
quit
all.
moving.
I can see that.
You missed it all.
Oh. Okay, I'm feeling some pain.
It's good. I'm
What?
trying to pull that sucker out.
Get it?
Look at
She
it.
don't want to come out.
Do have
You got a
tweezers?
fucking root. I mean, there's a
Yeah,
tree
root.
root in here.
You got a tree root in your shoulder.
Well, don't slice it.
No, I'm not going to. I'm
Anymore.
not going to slice it.
Yeah, use
Come on, this ain't my first fucking rodeo.
Use it and get a pair of
Oh my
bicycles.
god.
Oh.
Gross. Oh,
Oh, we're pulling meat.
oh, we're pulling skin out and flesh.
So gross.
Yeah, we're YouTubing.
Can I touch it?
Yeah, you want to touch it, touch it. You don't got it.
Yeah, okay.
Ew, it's like a booger coming out of your shoulder.
Oh,
Purge,
Yeah,
purge it.
It's just like the root stuck in your shoulder.
it's like a root.
It's just
Oh,
taking
can I
straight
go
out.
look at
Do
it?
you have tweezers on that Swiss Army knife?
Oh,
I know,
yeah,
I
I
used
think
to
so.
have
No,
one.
tweezers. I'm grabbing that sucker.
We need
No,
needle
the
nose
other
pliers.
side, other side.
Here.
We
Yeah,
need
there's
pliers.
tweezers.
Here,
Get
Jer.
tweezers.
I need a pair of
No,
fucking
we need
needle nose so I
pliers.
can really grab a hold of that sucker.
Come on, no, just stick it in there. Come on, be a
Come on.
surgeon. I'll do it.
Okay, that some bitch is growing in there.
I did take anatomy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
I could do it.
so did I. It doesn't mean you're qualified for this kind of shit.
You didn't take anatomy.
No, sorry, I'm lying.
Come on,
Look
just
at
use
that fucker.
it. Dad,
It's-
use the
it's in there.
tweezers. He has tweezers.
I know, but
Tweezers
tweezers
ain't
aren't
gonna
gonna do
hold-
it. We
they're
need
not gonna
needle nose pliers.
pliers.
No, that's what they did on YouTube.
Dude, okay, get it with a pair of needle nose or with a pair of
Fine,
pliers,
give me it.
tweezers.
I'll
Wait,
get
I
it
want to
with
look at it
tweezers.
first. Can I go look at it? Stop the tape.